Hello, hello friends. Welcome. Here we are going to start our new chapter, oscillations. Our new topic, oscillation. We earlier discussed about the linear SHM. I revise this linear SHM first. The periodic motion. Periodic motion means it is the harmonic motion which repeats at equal interval of time along the same line. It is called as periodic motion. For example, Earth revolves around the sun. This motion is periodic motion. It repeats again and again after the equal interval of time. Therefore, it is harmonic motion or it is called as periodic motion. Another type of harmonic motion is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. Or vibratory motion. The motion of the needle of sewing machine. The motion of the needle of sewing machine. The toe, it is the periodic motion in which the particle performing to and fro motion along the same line or along the straight line. It is called as linear simple harmonic motion. Simple means it is the simple form of the motion, because when the body performing linear SHM, then all the particle performs to and fro motion about its mean position, then it is simple motion. Harmonic means it is periodic, it repeats again and again after the equal interval of time. Therefore, it is also periodic motion. It is a periodic motion along the same line of the particle which is performing to and fro motion along the same line. It is called as periodic motion. For example, the motion of the needle of sewing machine. We can take an example of the simple pendulum for small amplitude. When the simple pendulum release from its mean position, here displaced from its mean position and release, then it vibrates about its mean position. These motions are harmonic motion. It is called as linear simple harmonic motion. The motion of the simple pendulum for the small amplitude. It is an example of the periodic motion, or it is also an example of oscillatory motion. Thus, here we discuss about the oscillatory motion. It is periodic motion. Oscillatory motion is periodic motion, but every periodic motion is not oscillatory motion, because this motion is periodic motion. A uniform circular motion or the motion of the earth around the sun. It is a periodic motion, but it is circular, not oscillatory. Therefore, every periodic motion is not oscillatory, but oscillatory motion is periodic. The motion along the same line, the motion of the particle in which it performing to and fro motion along the same line, it is called as simple harmonic motion, or it is oscillatory motion, or it is also called as vibratory motion. When it is called as linear simple harmonic motion, when the force, restoring force, when it is displaced, when this ball which is suspended from the rigid support by using the string, when it is displaced from mean position, then here it is acted upon by the restoring force. This restoring force try to bring it to its mean position. Therefore, it is acted upon by a restoring force. This restoring force is directly proportional to the displacement. It is directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position. Suppose at any instant of time x is the displacement from the mean position. Therefore, the restoring force it is always depends upon the magnitude of the displacement from the mean position. Greater the displacement, greater will be this restoring force. Therefore, this restoring force is directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position. Here also we can write here F is directly proportional to minus x, because this force is always directed toward the mean position. While vibrating about the mean position, then this restoring force, when it is on the right side, then it is act towards the left hand side. When it is at left hand side, then it is directed toward the right hand side. That is, it is always directed toward the mean position, and that is why we take here negative sign. Here negative sign indicate that the direction of the restoring force is opposite to that of the displacement. Finally, we can write F is equal to minus kx. Here K is called as force constant. It is called as force constant. This force constant, it depends upon the elastic properties. In case of spring, it depends upon the gravitational properties. In case of the simple pendulum, it depends upon the here magnetic energy. In case of magnetic material or magnetic bar, F is equal to minus kx. K is called as force constant. This force constant is given by F upon x. That is restoring force per unit displacement. It is called as force constant, and this force constant, it is called as, also sometimes it is called as elastic constant, F upon x, and therefore its SI unit is Newton per meter. Its SI unit is Newton per meter, and its dimensions are m raised to power 1, L raised to power 0, T raised to power minus 2. These are the dimension of the restoring force. This is about the simple harmonic motion, and it is linear SHM. Then what is linear SHM? We have to define this linear SHM. Linear SHM means it is the periodic motion. It is a linear periodic motion. It is a linear periodic motion in which the restoring force is directly proportional to the displacement of the particle from the mean position, and the direction of this restoring force is always opposite to that of displacement. We also say that it is always directed toward the mean position. This type of linear periodic motion, it is called as linear SHM, simple harmonic motion, linear simple harmonic motion, because there are two types of the simple harmonic motion. When the path is straight line, then it is called as linear simple harmonic motion. When the path is curved, for example, if you take the beam balance, if you take the example of beam balance, then beam of this balance, it is displaced from its mean position, then these vibrations are angular SHM, because here the path is curved, therefore it is called as angular SHM. Here we discuss about only now linear SHM. What is linear SHM? The linear SHM means it is a linear periodic motion in which the restoring force is directly proportional to the displacement of the particle from mean position, and the direction of that force is always directed toward the mean position. It is called as linear SHM. Now, in linear SHM, it is observed that when it performs, for example, if we take simple pendulum, it is performing the vibration about its mean position, then it is observed that at extreme position, its velocity is minimum, it will be 0. At mean position, when I release it, then its velocity goes on increasing. It becomes maximum at mean position. It becomes maximum at mean position, and at extreme position, the velocity of the that particle performing here linear SHM, it has minimum value at extreme position, or it will be 0. At mean position, it will be maximum. Therefore, we have to discuss about the total energy of the particle. Here we will discuss about the energy of the particle in linear SHM. In linear SHM, as the particle is in motion, it has kinetic energy. Also, here in spite of the